Day 8, Indian night at Northcote. Prateek Sadhu, Mask Restaurant, Mumbai. Wow, we're expecting real serious stuff tonight. Obsession 2020. It's great to finally meet up with Prateek. I've heard so much about him. His food looks amazing. Highly recommended by Sri, cooked with us last year from the Taj in San Francisco. We're all so excited. Everybody loves Indian food. It's really the go-to food at the moment in the UK. So special.
Prateek Sadhu, and I'm from Mask Restaurant, Mumbai. Mask, we do modern Indian food, and for us, modern Indian cooking isn't about returning to regional recipes and simply plating them with new tweaks. It demands revisiting traditional recipes and ingredients with purpose, and sometimes they can build cross-cultural bridges as well. And sometimes this also means combining the essence of two dishes. So for tonight, we have done a few dishes which really resonate what we do at Mask. For example, the unicorn dish. It's basically a pani puri, which is a very famous street food in India. But we have done it with corn, oni on top, and a little bit of caviar. So we call it oni corn. And then I've done my mother's recipe. I've kind of taken the inspiration from there and kind of replicated it. So we have done lamb belly, which is cooked with Kashmiri chilies, yogurt, and fennel. And with that, we have few accompaniments like few chutneys, some rice to go with it. I've also done a bread, a Kashmiri bread called katlam, which we are serving with langoustines and pickled lemon butter. So yeah, I'm really excited for tonight. I'm really looking forward, and I hope guests do enjoy our take on modern Indian food.